Hello. So just a recent project called it chaotic example. Well, if you click the option here, you can see the start slider. Yeah, you can like lower the volume of the game. And like this credit, I already put all the credits on this box. Like I must got it. I must got it from the digital asset official website. And when you start, you will get to the number, you will get to the level 1. Well, my friends say that this game is really hard for them. I actually agree with them because it's really hard. It just take me like 10 minutes to finish. It's really hard, but yes, now I die again. And if you click retry, you will get back to the level 1. So I'm gonna play it like silently because I have to focus on it. You can see the diamond on the top left corner. And now we're gonna stop in there because we don't have any way to go, so we have to follow this. Let's take carefully. Focus. And for you need to follow the coin, follow the diamond because it will like lead you to the top. Now we are at the end of the game. We're gonna jump in the portal. Well, after we jump in the portal, we get to level 2. Level 2 is like really hard. It's hard. It's hard for me and it's hard for me as well. I just rarely finish this level because it's very hard. I need to focus a lot. If I don't, then I will never pass it. But oh my god, I die again. But I just passed it level once. But if you like waste the time, so I'm gonna click back to the main menu.